Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel as this channel needs your support. Also access this cybersecurity playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we are going to learn everything about penetration testing. So let's get started. What is penetration testing? Penetration testing, often called pen testing, is a simulated cyber attack on a computer system, network, or application to find vulnerabilities, weak points, that hackers could exploit. It's like hiring a security expert to break into your system to see how secure it really is. Why is penetration testing important? Identifies weaknesses, finds loopholes in your security before hackers can exploit them. Prevents attacks, helps you fix vulnerabilities to avoid real-world breaches. Builds confidence, ensures your system is secure for users and stakeholders. Compliance. Many industries, e.g., banking, healthcare, require pen testing for legal and regulatory standards. How does penetration testing work? Pen testers, ethical hackers, follow a structured process. 1. Planning and reconnaissance. Understand the target system. Gather information about potential vulnerabilities, e.g., open ports, outdated software. 2. Scanning. Use tools to map the system and identify entry points. Example tools: Map Nessus. 3. Exploitation. Attempt to exploit vulnerabilities. Example attacks: stealing sensitive data, gaining admin access, or causing system crashes. 4. Post-exploitation. Assess the extent of damage a hacker could do if they exploit the vulnerability. 5. Reporting. Provide a detailed report of vulnerabilities found, how they were exploited, suggestions for fixing them. Types of penetration testing. 1. Black box testing. The tester has no prior knowledge of the system. Mimics an external attacker with no insider information. 2. White box testing. The tester has complete knowledge of the system, including source code and architecture. Mimics an insider attack or a deep security analysis. 3. Gray box testing. The tester has partial knowledge of the system. Mimics an attacker with some insider access or information. Common penetration testing tools. Metasploit, framework for discovering and exploiting vulnerabilities. Burp Suite, used for testing web application security. Wireshark, analyzes network traffic for suspicious activity. Kali Linux, a platform with built-in tools for penetration testing. Real-life example. Imagine a company website where users log in to view their accounts. During pen testing, the tester might check if they can bypass the login page. Try to steal sensitive user data using SQL injection, a type of hacking technique. Who performs penetration testing? Ethical hackers, professionals trained to legally test systems for vulnerabilities. Organizations, hire cybersecurity firms or have in-house teams to conduct regular pen tests. Key benefits of penetration testing. 1. Protects sensitive data, e.g., passwords, customer information. 2. Reduces the risk of costly data breaches. 3. Improves system security by fixing discovered vulnerabilities. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.